Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 26th of December 2024. The day is Thursday. At most of the places, the markets are closed today, but Forex is open. Okay, so we will be discussing about the key levels for the Forex today. Major Forex pairs. I'm Rakesh, your host here. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. Why I'm saying so? Because you should not think that this analysis is coming from the Dukas Copy. It's not coming from them. It's coming from me, and I am an independent trader and technical analyst. So whatever I'm going to share here with you, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. So one request to you is that please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy. Second, the analysis is mine. Third, we'll not talk about anything that is fundamental in nature. We'll only focus ourselves on the charts because I'm a price action analyst, so I'll only talk about the price. For this, we'll be using the candlestick type of charts, and in 5 to 10 minutes, I will be telling you all the levels that are important from my point. At the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask your questions and feel free to ask any question that is related to technical analysis, and I would love to answer your questions. Now, before I start, I must also tell you that everything that I say here in this live stream is only for enhancing your knowledge or information. It has nothing to do with the live trading. I mean, of course, it has something to do with the live trading, but you are not supposed to, use this information to trade on live funds. If you want to use, that is your own discretion. I'm not encouraging you to do so. So please do your own research before you put your real money on the line. And let me take you through the risk disclaimer also before you move to the charts. All right, here we go. Let's go to the charts. So what do you see on the chart? This is the dollar index. You can see dollar index daily chart candlesticks. I'm just zooming out a bit so that you can have a better picture. So this is all in all. The price was going down, then it started going up, then it was range bound. Finally, it is trying to surpass this huge resistance zone, which is called as the bearish fair value gap on the daily chart. This is very important gap. Every time the price is striking here, it is getting rejected. You see, even today, now on the 15-minute, you will see that the price entered this area and got rejected. See, now the selling has just started in the US dollar, but this day is not good for trading. So I will say stay away from this price action. Okay, stay away from this price action. You will get better opportunities in the coming days. These are the holiday season, so let's not burn your real money in this. So what my expectation is, the price either has to close above this or it has to get rejected and close below this low. So in either of the cases, I'll be ready to take a position. Below this, I'll be a seller, and above this, I'll be a buyer. Price is headed lower, so other pairs will be looking for higher prices, although there is no price action whatsoever on the pound. Nothing is happening. You see, this is like from 1, 2, 3, 4 days, the price is inside this candle. So that means the price is neither going up nor going down. It is contained, or you can say consolidating. Now, if I show you on the 1 hour, you will see a wedge forming here. Now, what is a wedge? I'll just show you. Although I don't want you to trade this, but just say that the price is making lower lows and higher highs. Okay, that's all. That's all. I don't want to talk much about it because price has nothing to do with all these wedges and everything. What about the euro? Euro has finally seen an up move today. Is it a real move? I don't think so. I think that it's trying to enter a zone where the sellers can find their edge, or sellers can find a reason to sell. Now there is a bearish fair value gap here, then there is a bearish fair value gap here. So this is a confluence of two bearish fair value gaps, if you see. Okay, so finally the price today, you see, in the 15 minutes I will show you, the price entered that zone and the selling has started. Now I cannot say that the selling has started because it has not broken any market structure on the 15 minutes, because it has just entered that in the last 15 minutes. So I'm expecting the price to go very fast to the downside. If somebody has to buy euro in the long term, it cannot be today. That is my question. Okay, 26th of December cannot be that day when somebody wants to buy. Yeah, somebody want to sell positions. This can be that day, and people were looking for this price to reach, and that price has reached, and finally they started selling off. You see that? Uh, will I start selling right now? No. I'll be waiting for a bearish market structure shift on the 15-minute at least, or 5 minutes. There is no market structure shift whatsoever till now. So I will not be selling this market right now. Okay. Now, what about the Australian dollar? Australian dollar is weak. You can look for the selling it in the 15 minutes. You can look for a bearish market structure shift, this one, and then switch that to 1 minute. How this happens? Okay, this is a bullish price action. The price structure to the downside. This is, I think, today's price action. Today's 26th. So yeah, this is today's price action. I'm just giving you one example. Okay, you see this bearish fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap came after this bearish market structure shift. Okay, the price traded this bearish fair value gap, gave you another market structure shift. Then this gap shifted over here. The price went to it. This you could have sold off with the small profits. Although I do not encourage it also today because this is a holiday. You should not be participating in this price action, but you should have an eye on the bigger picture, that is Australian dollar is weak. Where is it weak? It is weak below 0.6270 area. So you want to sell? No. Right now, it's not a good area to sell. Yeah, when you get it close to this area from where your stop loss can be managed, then you want to sell. Right now, no selling. New Zealand dollar is something similar. You want to sell this pair, but this is already at an area which can offer support to the price. This is a fair value gap which is bullish and it is based on the daily chart. So you don't want to sell it right now. Yes, if it successfully closes a day below this fair value gap, then you can look for a short till 0.5508. I hope I'm clear. USD CHF, today I was looking for buy in USD CHF, but unfortunately I could not. I tried it very hard, but the price did not even manage to break the high of yesterday. So it is an inside bar. I did not get anything out of it, so I closed my trade. Although I'm bullish on this one, and that bullish structure I think will develop when the price reaches this fair value gap. This is bullish fair value gap on the daily chart. USD JPY, although showed a very nice price move today, it broke through the highs. These highs also and these highs. A close above this high and above this 50% of this fair value gap will eventually push the price to the target of this 159.34. Bitcoin, I was looking for this sell-off yesterday. That did not happen, and I was I think I was, what do you call it? I was trapped in this trade where I was looking for 99,000 to give a sell-off, but that did not happen. But that has happened today. Today, Bitcoin went down 3%, so I did not trade it. But yes, it went down and reached this fair value gap where it found some buying. Now the price is not respecting this fair value gap. The price is respecting this fair value gap. So you have to keep an eye on this one, and from the upside, this one. Brent, I'm bearish on this one. The price has taken the liquidity and given us a market structure shift just now. So you can look for the selling opportunities in this one if you want. Boom, boom. So this is the price of the high. This is a mitigation block. The price made a fair value gap. This is a breakaway gap. This is the anti-fair value gap. The price trades the anti-fair value gap. Boom. And there is more to come on this one, at least till this order block. This is the daily order block. And after this, you can look for the even higher, after this, you can even go for the low targets, but this is the minimum that you should get on the daily chart. Okay. What is gold? Gold is also bearish in nature. The price is trying to break this level gap, which I think will not be able to break. And if it closes below the 50%, then tomorrow we can see a drop lower. Euro JPY, very nice price action. Almost the target has achieved. 164.76 is the high or the target that we have. And the price has made an intraday high of 164.71, just 5 points short of that. And I think that will also be achieved because there is no market structure shift whatsoever, even on the 5 minutes to the downside. So we have a fair amount of chance that the price will reach our targets. Okay. This is very close to the target. I hope that it will take the target. GBPAUD, we are bullish on this one, but have not got any, you can say, opportunity today to go long in this one. But yes, we are hoping this can be our trade of the year, and this can reach higher. CHF JPY was very nice today. Did not reach even the 50% and was rejected from the top only. So all in all, CHF JPY is looking for 176.09. Thereafter, it can also reach for 176.67. I think I have described these targets to you, and after taking all these targets, the price should get rejected from this fair value gap. I'm marking this fair value gap as red because I'm expecting it to be rejecting the price in the future. Okay, all the fair value gaps now we can remove so that we don't have any confusion, and this also we can remove so that we have a clean chart, so that there is less confusion why these levels are there. Okay. All right, so Australian dollar against the New Zealand, we are bearish on this one. It may be looking to you that the price is going high, but till the time the price does not close above this 50% line, we are bearish in this one. Okay. Keep an eye on that. To what extent? Till this fair value gap. Why? Because there's a bullish fair value gap which is respecting the price, and the price may get respected again if the price reaches here. All right. Gas has failed to respect this fair value gap today, but there is still 11 hours and 43 minutes to go. So even if now the price respects this area and closes higher, I'll be looking for higher prices in the future. But in case the price is able to close the day below this bullish fair value gap, then I'll be looking for the lower prices. First target will be this low, thereafter this low, and this low. I'll not be targeting any fair value gap on the downside because there's no fair value gap left. But yes, these lows are my liquidity on the downside. EuroCAD, I was looking for the lower prices today, but that did not happen. The price went for this liquidity and has entered inside this big fair value gap. First, there was a consequent encroachment rejection. Thereafter, this was bottom rejection. But now, I think the price may not respect any of these and keep going higher. This is what my expectation is. Although I was very bearish in this market, I was looking for something like this, but that did not happen. So everything, you are not right. So you have to understand this also. Ethereum, I'm bearish on the Ethereum, and the price action on the Ethereum is very cool. It is respecting all the PD areas that we were expecting. So this bullish fair value gap is next target. Let's see how it behaves with this. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can ask me in the chat box. Okay, since there is no question coming up, so I would like to wrap up the session by saying, like I always say, that I hope now you have a little idea about the support and resistance zone that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that just remember, do not risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to make. Now, you can do this by adjusting your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your account. Okay. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.